Hey there, smoothie lovers! Smoothies aren't just drinks, they're little bundles of health, flavor, and convenience. Today, we're diving into 10 awesome reasons to make smoothies part of your daily routine. Plus, I'm sharing 10 super simple recipes and a way to totally level up your health game with a special program made just for smoothie fans. But first, tell me, what's your go-to smoothie ingredient? Are you all about creamy avocados, sweet berries, or tropical mangoes? Drop your favorites in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health hacks and delicious recipes. 10 reasons to love smoothies. 1. They're a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, smoothies are an easy way to meet your daily nutritional needs. Ingredients like spinach, berries, and chia seeds turn a simple drink into a health boost in every sip. Example recipe: Powerhouse Berry Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 handful of spinach, half a cup of mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. Instructions: add all the ingredients to a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy a nutrient-packed drink that supports your health all day. 2. Quick and convenient. No time for breakfast? A smoothie can be made in just a few minutes and enjoyed on the go. It's perfect for busy mornings. Just grab your favorite ingredients, blend them up, and you've got a healthy, delicious meal to keep you fueled all day. Example recipe: Morning Boost Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, half a cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Instructions: combine all the ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a travel cup, and you're ready to tackle the day with energy and focus. 3. Repairs your muscles. A refreshing, nutrient-packed smoothie designed to fuel your body after a workout and support muscle recovery. Recipe: Tropical Protein Smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 mango, fresh or frozen, half a cup of pineapple, fresh or frozen, 1 scoop of protein powder, vanilla or your preferred flavor, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, plain or flavored, half a cup of coconut water or almond milk. Instructions: add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy the perfect post-workout smoothie that helps repair muscles, replenish energy, and promote recovery. 4. Smoothies support weight loss. A low-calorie, metabolism-boosting smoothie that helps with weight loss and keeps you full longer. Recipe: Slimming Green Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 handful of spinach or kale, 1/2 green apple, 1/4 cucumber, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Instructions: add spinach or kale, apple, cucumber, chia seeds, and lemon juice into a blender. Pour in almond milk and blend until smooth. Serve and enjoy this refreshing, low-calorie smoothie that aids in weight loss and keeps you satisfied throughout the day. 5. Boost energy levels. Feeling sluggish? A smoothie with bananas, oats, and a dash of honey can give you a natural energy boost without the crash of caffeine. Recipe: Banana Energy Boost Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 teaspoon of honey, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of rolled oats. Instructions: blend until smooth. Enjoy the energy boost. 6. Aid in detoxing. Ingredients like kale, cucumber, and lemon work together to flush out toxins and rejuvenate your system. Recipe: Refreshing Detox Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 handful of kale, 1/2 cucumber, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 cup of water or coconut water. Instructions: blend all ingredients and serve immediately. 7. Support gut health. Adding probiotics like yogurt or kefir to your smoothies can improve digestion and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Recipe: gut-friendly smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup of kefir or plain yogurt, 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup of mixed berries, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Instructions: blend until smooth. Serve chilled. 8. They're great for skin health. Berries and avocados are rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that promote glowing, youthful skin. Recipe: Radiance Smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 avocado, 1/2 cup of strawberries, 1/2 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of almond milk. Instructions: blend well and enjoy for glowing skin. 9. A brain food booster. Blueberries and walnuts in smoothies can improve memory and focus, making them a perfect snack before work or study. Recipe: brain-boosting blueberry smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of blueberries, fresh or frozen, 1/4 cup of walnuts, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy a brain-boosting drink that enhances memory and focus. 10. They're customizable. Whether you prefer sweet, tangy, or earthy flavors, smoothies can be tailored to your taste. Add fruits, greens, protein powders, or even spices like cinnamon for a unique twist. You're only limited by your imagination. Example recipe: Tropical Dream Smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of frozen mango, 1/2 cup of frozen pineapple, 1/2 banana, 1 cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut, optional. Instructions: place all ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and top with a sprinkle of shredded coconut for extra tropical vibes. But be careful. Not all smoothies are healthy. Beware of store-bought smoothies, many are loaded with sugar and preservatives. Making them at home is always a better option. Are you ready to elevate your smoothie journey? Discover the secret behind the incredible success of the Smoothie Diet, created by Drew Sgoutas, a renowned health coach who has helped thousands transform their health. With the custom 3-week weight loss schedule, this program is perfect whether you're looking to shed those last stubborn 5 to 10 pounds or achieve a complete body transformation. The Smoothie Diet is designed to be flexible. While the program spans 21 days, you can continue using it to achieve your weight loss goals, whether big or small. Imagine a plan that not only delivers dramatic weight loss but also boosts your energy, clears your skin, improves your sleep, sharpens your mind, and stabilizes your blood sugar. With over 36 delicious fat-melting meal replacement smoothie recipes, weekly shopping lists to simplify your journey, and a step-by-step prep guide, this program takes out all the guesswork. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your newfound confidence. Plus, you'll receive 2 amazing bonuses: the 3-day smoothie detox, perfect for kickstarting your journey, and the Quick Start Guide, a condensed version of the program to help you dive right in and start seeing results immediately. And here's the best part: you're covered by a 60-day guarantee. If, for any reason, this program doesn't meet your expectations, you can get a full refund, no questions asked, no hassles. Click the link in the description below to learn more and start your transformation today. Which recipe or fact was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.